Oh yes, Xbox 720. Yay. Another Xbox that is crap. Yay? No, it's not yay. Because Microsoft is being retarded. And there are so many rumors about Xbox 720 that is bad. Now, I am a Nintendo player, so I don't know why I'm talking about this. You know why? Because I am saving up actually for an Xbox 360, right? And my friends told me about this thing that is bullshit. So I was going to save up money for it. Now I'm saving up money for Xbox 360. Because this one is bullshit. Guess what? Yeah, used games? Yeah, you can't use them. No. When you buy a used game, you cannot use it on your Xbox 720. I don't know why. I mean, like, rental shops and, like, freaking New to You, Valley Village, or used stores are going to lose business because of Microsoft, because they're being gay. And I feel that, like, if you buy a game, you can do whatever you want with it. I don't care. You can give it to your friend. He can play it from now on. But nope, not with this shit. It only has to be with your Xbox and your Xbox only. That's pretty bad because you know why? Maybe you just bought a new game and you're going to your friend's house to check it out. And he has an Xbox 720 and you're like, hey, friend, do you want to play this game? And he's like, sure, friend. Why don't you just put it in my Xbox 720? Yeah, pretty much you lost like $60. Yeah, I'm sorry. Xbox 720. And there are rumors that the Wii U is going to have better graphics than Xbox 720. And I cannot believe that since Wii U is coming out like December 2011 and this one's coming late 2013. Pretty much that bullshit. Yeah, it's dumb. Xbox 720 will not last for like even a month. I don't know any one of my friends that's even getting it. So, yeah, I just wanted to let you know. Don't get fooled by Microsoft. So, yeah, bye, guys. And always, thanks for watching.